Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hatika Batul and today we are going to discuss about measuring instruments lecture number 4. In this video, we will discuss about physical balance. So let's start our video. What is physical balance? A physical balance is an instrument used to measure the mass of object. It operates on the principle of balancing two objects of unknown and known mass. When these objects are balanced, their masses are equal. This principle is based on the concept of equilibrium. A physical balance is a very sensitive balance which can measure weights in milligram order. It is placed in a protective glass case so that even dust and wind cannot affect the accuracy of instrument. Now, what are the parts of physical balance? Following are the some parts of physical balance. Number first is beam, the horizontal bar that pivots at the center, allowing it to balance. The second one is two pans, that is two containers, one on each end of the beam, where objects to be placed. The pans are usually of the same weight and size to ensure accuracy. Number third is fulcrum, the pivot point on which the beams rest. It is usually positioned at the center of the beam. Number 4 is pointer, a small vertical rod attached to the beam at the center. Number 5 is scale, a graduated scale marked on the base or body of the balance, used to measure the deflection of the pointer. Number 6 is arrestment mechanism, a device used to lock the beam in place, preventing it from moving. Number 7 is balancing screws, these small screws used in balancing. Number 8, base. It provides stability to the system. Number 9 is suspension system, wires or rods that connect the pans to the beam and minimize friction and ensure smooth movement. This is the introduction of physical balance. So students, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.